Luis PAES, a homeless man on the streets of Mexico City, had it hard enough before the pandemic. But since the virus arrived in Mexico, things have gotten worse.
It's been hard. I used to sell second-hand things, but there's no merchandise right now, and prices for collecting bottles and cardboard are down. Things are very difficult.
But help is at hand. Dressed in their signature red jumpsuits, this is the Red Alert Brigade, a team of social workers from the Caracol NGO, dedicated to helping more than 4,000 people estimated to be living homeless in Mexico City. Every day, across 60 locations around this city, they arrive to hand out food and masks to help society's most marginalized members cope with the pandemic. Mexico has nearly 2 million confirmed COVID-19 cases and more than 168,000 deaths. So reaching vulnerable populations who can't easily isolate themselves, like the homeless, and guiding them in ways they can control infection spread is vital for pandemic management. According to team leader ALEXIA Moreno, one of the biggest problems is misinformation.
When we work alongside homeless people, it becomes clear they don't have access to traditional sources of information, like television or radio or newspapers. So often, the information they have is distorted by reaching them through the word of mouth. And a lot of people have ideas that COVID doesn't really exist, or that the vaccines are a hoax designed to kill them. So getting through to them with real, true information is the first challenge.
Yet they are undeterred. Every day, these social workers prepare packs of personal protective equipment, suit up and head out to the streets. For Luis Enrique Hernandez, El Caracol's founder, it's work that he hopes will have a lasting impact.
Since the start of the pandemic, our goal has been to make sure these communities aren't ignored. It was never considered that people would end up on the streets because of this pandemic, and we make sure they are cared for.
With nearly 2 million cases in less than a year, helping the homeless protect themselves helps protect the capital from COVID by slowing its spread. Alistair Baverstock, CGTN, Mexico City.